And we're live. All right, welcome back, Cody. Let's continue the React TypeScript to-do list / what it really is a channel suggestion. Oh, here's myself in the background. Hold on a second.
It already begins.
So it begins. I guess we may as well do the intro, right? Fuck it. All right, so, and if you guys are watching, and I'm going to have this in a playlist eventually. I've just been too lazy, right? But what we need to do is continue off where we left off last time. And all we really did, and actually, I could just share my screen and let everybody see where we actually left off. So we did the create React app, right? We did it with the TypeScript template. And we had a bunch of issues pushing stuff back and forth through GitHub, but I think we got it squared away. Other than the fact that we have this we have two README files. Two README files, go figure. Christian Soto in the hoose. What up, dude? Good to see you tonight. So what I'm going to do, guys, from here on out is we're basically going to be using a template. I'm going to be using a guide on how to do a to-do list in React and TypeScript. And I'll actually put a link to the guide in the live chat. If anybody's watching the replay, I don't know how you can see that. Hopefully you can. But and we're gonna go based off of this guide that I just put in the chat. The only difference is we're gonna have to tailor it towards what we're actually doing and not a quote unquote to-do list, right? Even though technically, by virtue, it's kind of the same thing. Would you agree or disagree with that, Cody?
Yeah, it's pretty much the same.
Okay. All right. And I guess let's check out. We got our app CSS, our app test. We got a test file. We're gonna. Don't worry, Cody. We'll write a test. I know.
Nobody tests. Nobody does that.
We'll do it, dude. We'll do it. We'll do it live. All right. And then actually, if we're gonna do a real test, we should if we're really gonna do test-driven development, which we're not gonna do that. But what we would do in this case is before we build anything, we would write like a test in here that we know is going to fail, right? So let's say that we would write like a test to check to whether or not a checklist exists, and we would run the test. The test would fail, and we'd be like, "Oh, it failed. I guess we got to go build that checklist now." You kind of go backwards, but the whole point of this isn't to do test-driven development; it's to get this app working, right? So we have our app.tsx file, and then this would basically, if this was JavaScript, this would basically be like the JSX file. We have our index.css, our index.css. Sorry, we have an index CSS file and index TSX. We have this stupid logo that we're going to delete. We have this other stuff, this app. What is this? What is this, Cody? What am I looking at here?
React app env
.d.ts. I have no idea.
I don't know.
Well, setup tests. We don't have to worry about any of those. We'll just keep them around. Okay, so Cody, if we were going to start, and let's just say we wanted to start with that step one in the guide, defining the state variables, where would you suggest that we do that?
Probably, I would define the state variables in index.tsx right there.
All right, so this guide is asking us to do, and I'll put the guide on the screen. The guide is asking us to define some state variables. We already did this, the create React app with the TypeScript flag. And what state variables? It says to do, set to do list, set to do list, edit to do, set edit to do, done map, set done map. Okay, so we could basically use the same thing. We're just going to call them something different because we're not really doing to dos, we're doing suggestions, right? So I guess let's make a state variable, a const for, instead of to dos, let's do that for suggestions.
I should probably go in app also, not index.
Yeah, should we make a separate? Okay, if we need to make a separate component, we'll make it in that later. We'll throw that in that later. But for now, let's do that. Okay, so we have our to do, set to do state variable. We're going to call them suggestion, right? So we'll say const. We'll say suggestion. And then we need to have our set suggestion. And we're going to set it equal to, did we import React? Yeah, we did. It's up here. Very nice. Very nice. set equal to react.use state. Use state with empty. And since this is TypeScript, technically we're probably gonna have to add a type here later, right? I guess, or unless this is just gonna be empty string.
Why is it using one, not the other?
Yeah, I don't know. That's what's confusing me. And then in this one here, it's a string array. So the to do. So then they have one for each of the to dos. We have a state variable for that, and we have one for the whole list. So for this one, we'll say const. What they say is to do and then to do list. We'll just say suggestion list. Suggestion
sug list.
Yeah, that would be nicer. But this is like got set suggestion list. Yeah, it's too much. Too much equals. Well, we'll ride with it. Okay. .use state, and I think they wanted it was a string array.
Yeah.
These guys. Something like that. Where's my ESLint? Oh yeah, we gotta throw this in here. Empty array. Did I do that wrong? String? No, shit. Okay, let's see what it says. This expression is not callable. It has no call signatures. Is it because it's a capital string? This should be lowercase string, right?
I think it has to go outside the parentheses too.
Like oh yeah, we don't need parentheses there. We only need them on that side. Duh. I only do this every day. We got that guy, and then what else did they have? They had another one. They had one for
edit index.
Yeah.
IDX. Assuming that means index.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do that. Let's change that from whatever the hell they were going to do. Edit to do. We'll edit suggestions. Set edit to do. Set edit. SUGGESTION. IDX. Okay. And they had a fourth one, done map, set done map. And we could use the same thing. Type of custom map. Looks like we're going to have to make that type, buddy. Oh, no. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if IntelliSense will do that. No quick fixes available. Can I install ESLint in here? The ESLint. There we go. It's LINT, not LENT. Okay. Let's do that. Hopefully that does something. Oh, look at all that, dude. It does not like that. Cool. All right, let's see.
Turn it off. Turn it off.
Keep it on. Keep it on. We need it. It helps. React hook use state cannot be called at the top level. React hooks must be called in the React function component or a custom React hook function. Actually, this should be okay. I don't know why it's not letting us do that. What's the quick fix? ESLint. Disable React hooks for this line. So we're gonna we imported ESLint to add all these disables everywhere. We'll turn it off for now. Okay. Sorry, Cody. Did I fix it? I gotta reload this thing too. Dang, son. Well, I guess we gotta keep it on now. Roll with it. All right. Disable. Dude, ESLint's supposed to be like the one that I have for my other machine. You click like Command S and it'll actually just like fix it for you. It won't let you save it without like undoing what other kind of syntax errors that it's throwing at you. Okay. So now we have to make that custom map type. So var custom map key string any. I don't really much appreciate how that's being done right there, but okay, that's fine. Let's do var custom. And we're going to make this we're going to give it key, get key, string, and increase the size of the screen too. Key string, it's going to be any. We're going to set that equal to. Open, close, curly braces. Okay, so that got rid of that. And now we have this error here still here. React hook to cannot be called the top level. Come on, ESLint. All right. Okay, next, what they want us to do is they want us to update render function app.tsx. So LIN, I think they meant in. In the app.tsx file generated, delete all the sample code generated and replace the code in the following function with the following. So we got to return, and then have this giant jargon of a bunch of different JSX elements. All right. So let's go to that app.tsx file. Oh, we're already in there. Duh, Cody. All right, well, we'll just return. Let's just take yeah, they just want us to delete all of this stuff that's getting returned. Cody, are you ready to quit the tech YouTube stuff and just go back to doing Dirt Lake stuff where we get way more views?
No, never. Just kidding.
What is this?
I'll just upload my one video every like 6 months.
Let's see. Let me see my let's do this. Where is the what is the view count on the Raptor getting stuck video? 1.2K. Like,
oh my god.
I don't think it's even 10 seconds.
Oh.
Hey, it's a good video, bro. Look at the great magical editing in there.
It's the best editing I've ever seen.
If we just
Florida man included.
Yeah,
that's what did it. That's
yeah, it was the Florida man stuff. That's for sure. Instead of just live streaming code, what we can do is we can just like live stream us watching the videos of our Dirt Lake accounts and then just get more views on both of them. Okay, replace the code in your app.css file with the following classes. Okay, sure. I'm not even going to bother reading this CSS because no, thank you.
No one cares about CSS.
Sorry, Michael Zala. He just got mad at me for saying that now. I guarantee you. I'm going to get a text later. All right, we got that. All right, so what is going on here? We have all these things that aren't even like declared yet. So that was I feel like that was kind of rushed in the guide. Handle change. To do. Oh, okay. So instead of to do, we need suggestion here. Duh. Enter to do. Where is this enter to do? Oh, okay. I see what they're doing here. To-do list.map. Suggestion list.map has to go there. Let's see. What else? What else they gonna throw at us? Mark done change. That wasn't a yeah, no, that's gonna be a function, I think. Mark done change. Yeah. Edit to do. Edit suggestion. Wait a second here. Delete.
Oh, they have. If you scroll down past step 6, they have the entire app.js file.
Wow.
Yeah, he did it really out of order.
Yeah, it's kind of out of order, dude. Define a function to save to do. Okay. All right, let's take a look at what these degenerate. Dude, I wonder if ChatGPT wrote this article. Probably. I would not be surprised.
It looks like a ChatGPT article.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. Okay, let's make that function. And where are we going to make that function, guys? We're going to do it outside of the app function. So let's do const enter suggestion, because we're not doing to do's, doing suggestion. It's going to be of type mouse event. Dude, there's a way better way we could do that, but okay, whatever. Element, and it's going to return a bunch of gobbledygook. All right, let's see. And it's, what are they doing in here? Const existing line equals get existing list equals get existing list. They don't even have like, they're just declaring functions here. They're calling functions that aren't even made yet, but that's cool. It's fine. Whatever. existing list equals get existing list. Go back to that. What is it mad about over here? Well, what? Cannot find. Yeah, because they want to console.log the to-do. I guess we could do that. Let's do the let's console.log suggestion. You know what? Let's be super elite. Let's just say inside of here suggestion. Player learn to code equals 1,000 likes. Dude, it has to be. It's gonna have to be way more dirtbag to get 1,000 likes. This syntax is wrong, dude. What is up with this? What are we doing here? What the hell is this?
What? Oh, there's a space there.
After yeah, but
the arrow function.
Arrow, yeah.
There we go.
I saw that. I definitely saw that, bro. Okay, I definitely saw that. I definitely didn't just miss that. Okay, if they were saying if edit to do index, so if edit suggestion index is not equal to null. So if we do have a if something is in that edit suggestion index, then the existing list, we're going to add the edit suggestion index and set equal to suggestion. All right. What else? Then else, we're going to have else. Dude, hey, how do you like to write your else's? Do you like them like this, or do you like them like this?
I like them like that. That's typically how I do it. Yeah.
Me too. I hate when people do it like that, man. It's like they're trying to like make it shorter to be cooler, but it's just less readable.
Just use a switch statement, bro.
Yeah. Do that. Push suggestion. So we'll push suggestion into that existing list. Local storage. Dude, we're gonna have to do this. We should definitely do this. Well, because I mean, yeah, we're not gonna be able to save this stuff to a database from local storage. All right, local storage dot set item. And what are we setting? We're setting our suggestion list JSON dot stringify existing list. And then we want to do set to suggestion list. Set suggestion list. Existing list. We're going to set the to-do, the set suggestion. We're going to make that be an empty string afterwards because we clear that out. And then set edit suggestion index. We're going to pass a null in there. Okay. So that last two lines, that makes sense. Okay. Very nice. And then they're telling us define a function to edit to do. All right. Sure. What are we going to do in there? Let's see. Oh, and by the way, did our enter suggestion, we're not even declaring that anywhere, are we? We're not using that anywhere yet, are we? No.
I don't think so, no.
No. Okay. All right, and now we're going to have the const edit to do. I'm just going to copy pasta this, make it easier, and we'll change it up. We'll change it up live.
I was wondering how long it would take you to just copy.
Edit suggestion. Mouse event handler. Yuck. Button. Okay. All right. Existing list equals get existing list. Yeah, that's still left over from the other thing that we didn't make. In being edited, to do, const to do, we'll say session. We can no, that should be fine. It's declared, but its value is never read. It's assigned its value and never read. I wonder if we're gonna have like any kind of issue with this name. All right, set suggestion, and this needs to be set edit suggestion index. Dude, somebody's like having a fucking rave above me. Now we got that. Define a function to delete to do. Let's grab that guy. Let's delete suggestion. All right. Get existing list. Save the do list. Save suggestion list. This really bothers me, dude. Like not like having all these like calling all these things that we haven't done that. All right. So mark to do done. And in there, they want us to make a function for save the to-do list and then a mark done const. Wait, no, we don't want to. Don't save that. What are you doing? What are you doing in there? All right, save done to do. We'll say save done suggestion. Index of string, done map, type of custom map, local storage, get item done map. Okay. Don't change this. Don't change that. Set done map. Set item. Okay, we don't have to change that. Save done suggestion. Wait a second here. Save to do list. Yeah, so we're gonna say save. Hold on a second. What is this a type of? Is this supposed to be save suggestion list? Save done suggestion. I don't think, is that supposed to be that? This that's supposed to be. Oh, all right. We'll get to all the errors afterward. Let's get this done. We don't have to change this either. Save done to do. Save done to do. That's okay. This actually has to be saved on suggestion. Okay. All right, that's fine. Save suggestion list. Where did we define this at? Like all the way, we still don't have the we still don't have this guy, the get existing list. We're just making 3 calls to it. Okay. All right. And then to-do list with React.js, TypeScript, final app. Okay, you were right. Yeah, they gave us all of it. Wait, so is there more in here that we didn't even let's see. How many lines is this? Let's see. We're at what? 103 lines code? 122? Yeah, there was other stuff in there that they didn't
I think
they didn't tell us. And they're just like, oh, we'll piece it all together for you at the bottom. We should have just done that the whole time. All right. We got played, dude. All right, so let's take it from the top. So we have to do, and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna call this suggestion. And we're gonna look for to do. Oh, we don't want to replace that with everything that's in there that's to do because, oh boy, because there's plenty of times the word to do is used. Set suggestion. We're gonna do this old school, Cody. We're gonna have to go here. And we're going to have to scroll down and see how many red lines we get. All right, that's going to be suggestion. That's going to be set.
Or, you could just do search and replace. But
yeah, I was just saying we could, but they use the word to do like all over the place. But
that's true.
Dude, then I have to think. Look, then I have to think, and then I have to use my brain and think of some kind of regex combination to put in there, and I don't want to do that. Do you want to do that? I don't want to do that. I guess we could ask ChatGPT. You want to try that? What's more time asking ChatGPT to give us the regex to only remove where it says to do and nothing else? Or see, I had that. I went to the gym with Fido today, and he asked me. He's like, have you used like ChatGPT lately to like code anything? And I was like a little bit of stuff, and then. Perfect example. I told him today, I was like, I spent over like 4 hours of time, like just giving ChatGPT enough context to understand like what I had going on that was wrong. And it kept giving me, oh, it's wrong because of this, change it to this. It's wrong. And it was going back and forth between two different suggestions. I kept saying it doesn't work. So then I would have to like give it even more context. And eventually I was like, dude, fuck it. I'm just better off just reading. I'm better off just reading the error message and just like using my brain.
Dude, it was telling me something similar for like my side of the house. So for some reason, it doesn't know Google Cloud like at all. Like
Really?
Does not understand it. So I'm asking it some like pretty basic things like, hey, how can I add like this resource with Terraform or whatever? And it would give me like a section of code, or like it would give me some kind of like CLI command with an argument, and the argument didn't exist. So I was like, okay. So I started asking it to give me the documentation where this argument was listed, because I couldn't find it anywhere. I'm like, this doesn't exist. And it would give me a link, and I would click on it, and it would just return a 404. I was like, you're just making up documents.
Do you
You're
think that it
making
did
shit
that?
up. It won't tell me that it's wrong.
Do you
Like,
think
it
it
won't
just made
tell
up
me
that
that
link though?
Yeah, it did. It 100% did. It never existed. Like, it would give me like an actual like valid URL, but it would take me to a path that just didn't exist. So it would give me a 404. So it's just, it won't say that you can't do something. Like, it literally will just say, yeah, you can do it. Just do this. And then it'll just make some shit up. And it's gotten pretty bad for Google. Google, any type of like Kubernetes thing, it's not that great at. And any type of like really niche technology that doesn't have a lot of documentation, it doesn't know what's going on. So needless to say, jobs in the cloud or involving infrastructure are probably safe. Just letting you guys know.
Yeah, like that. The man, like just set suggestion. After dealing with that stuff today, I was like,
yeah,
man, I don't know.
It's good for like simple things that you just forget. You know what I mean? Like, hey,
Yeah.
how do I access logs on this one subsystem in Linux? Boom, it'll tell you right away, faster than you'll be able to find it on Google, right?
Yeah.
So, but if it's anything involving like, hey, I need to build this thing that like I don't really know the context behind and I just need to do it, no, not even close.
Useless.
Not even close. Yeah, borderline useless.
To-do list.
It's pretty good at like debugging errors though. Like, it'll at least point you in the right direction. It might not solve the error for you, but it
definitely didn't for me today. It definitely did not for me today. But it has before.
Yeah. I think the free version is soon to be borderline useless, basically. So I think they're trying to push people over to the paid version because it costs, I think it's like 700. I thought it was like $750,000 in infrastructure costs a day to run ChatGPT, the free one. So I think they're trying to nix that.
I mean, that makes sense.
Yeah.
I mean, good on them, they monetize it. But you notice, like, and we talked about this before, you notice like all these like big things that are new and trendy in tech, and they're like, bro, this is gonna be fucking game changer.
Yeah, dude.
And it just ends up actually
being a huge nothing burger. Yeah. That's what I noticed. So at first, when I started messing with it, no one was really talking about it all that much. And then like I saw the YouTube thumbnail apocalypse about ChatGPT, and I was like, it's already over, dude. It's already over. That's how I know it's bullshit, when I see a bunch of YouTubers like, oh, ChatGPT. And I was like, it's done. It's already done.
Yeah. Yeah, dude.
Bro, you can scale your business to 800 million clients in one day with AI, with ChatGPT. It's like, no, you can't. By the way.
Like the second or third stream, when I started streaming again, I just put like ChatGPT needs to stop. And I was like, 200 views like for a live stream, which is like not like super common off the first day. Right. So like and people like it. It's like the red meat, right?
People just want to hear that it's over and ChatGPT is going to take over the world. And that's it, bro. That's it.
That's fine. Let them think that.
Do it.
Let's take over, and then we can destroy it together with chat. We'll use AI to destroy AI.
Yeah. Pretty much, if you see Alex Hormozi talking about it, it's already over. You missed it. It's too late. It's too late.
I agree with that too. What do you think? What do you think the next big trend is going to be whenever the AI bandwagon? Yeah.
Oh man, it's hard to tell. Oh, probably back to politics, because next year it's back to politics next year. You know, it's going to be voting machines are rigged and all this other, which I mean, you know, they probably are, but I think there's a lot more than
no
probably
way.
a lot more than that rigged.
No way, bro. You think Bro, you think the votes are not like authentic to you? What is wrong with you, man?
Of course not. Of course not. YouTube. I do believe that our
That's right.
election system is very fair, unless
That's right.
the evil person wins next year, and then I do
Yes.
not think it's fair.
Yes.
And then
Yes.
I will absolutely reverse my position that I take currently.
Yes. Yeah, see, that's the clause there that we must not forget that clause. That's the most important
The
part of it.
current thing clause.
Yes, current. It's you know what it is. It's like this. The current thing clause. It's like, what is current thing right now, Cody? You tell me. What's current thing?
What is current thing? Is it still ChatGPT? I feel like that's getting old already. Current thing. Oh, economy, or some bad economy. Current thing is economy.
Economy. Yeah. Let's use this in the app somewhere. Let's save that for later. We'll use that in the app somewhere. Current thing equals economy, and we must adhere to current thing. All right, I think I changed enough of this. Let's just run this thing and let's see what this looks like. I didn't want to look at this JSX, dude. This is just nasty. On change.
Yeah.
What is this? Why is this edit to do still there? Because we have a function named edit to do. That's right. We're gonna have to change the name of that. All right, Cody. Let's do yarn dev. Was it npm dev? npm dev, npm run. I'm booming, dude. npm run.
I don't remember what you created it with.
I don't know. We can look at the what's going to take less time.
Yeah,
looking
npm.
Yeah, it's npm something. npm run start. npm start. Hey, we got it, baby. We got it, baby. Hey, look at our beautiful suggestion app. All right, so we gotta make sure people don't come up in here and start typing like stuff like that. I gotta get that off the screen. We're gonna get in trouble now. Okay, so let's try this out. React to do this with TypeScript. All right. Suggestion number 1.
Did all that CSS code just not do anything?
Like,
classic CSS.
Let's take a look at this CSS code. What we have here, an app.header with this color and this and that. All right, so what color is that? What even color are you, dude? What? Okay.
I don't know.
So we have this guy, border bottom with the color of goldenrod, dude. Look at that color, goldenrod, man.
Well, we saw that.
Yeah, look at that line, baby. Look at that border. Look at that border.
Look at that goldenrod.
Dude, this is look at all this CSS for Mike Zala, bro. Straight up. One thing though, Mike Zala would come in here and make this thing look like 10 times better with like half the code. Yeah, he would
in like 15 minutes.
Yeah, not even probably. He would just like he would just spit on the screen and it would just fix it. All right, suggestion number 2. Save. Hi, I am a suggestion. Hi, I'm a suggestion. All right, let's edit the first one. Blah blah blah. Save. Okay, cool. Let's delete that. Let's add another one. Let's delete that one. Oh, we can mark it done. Okay. What if I just say? Okay, so if you want to delete it, you have to. So if you want it done, you can either check the checkbox, click the done. Okay. Okay, let's delete, refresh. What's local storage going? It learned to gaslight ChatGPT. Yeah. Dude, that's probably what it was doing to me today, man.
Probably.
Give me the same 2 suggestions over and over again.
For whatever reason, it'll never tell me that something is not possible. It'll never tell me that. Even though when I know it's not possible. It'll just keep making shit up until it's like, I don't know. Sorry. And then it'll just recycle links that it sends me to.
Yeah. You think maybe it thinks that it is possible?
Maybe, dude. I think because people keep gaslighting it that it won't tell anyone that something's not possible.
Well, because look,
the internet is slowly ruining it.
It learns by communicating with us, right?
Yeah,
technically.
So,
well, yeah, but
I don't need them. But it doesn't even make sense because I'll be like, hey, that's wrong. That doesn't exist. Like that documentation doesn't exist. So it sends me to another documentation that doesn't exist, and we just get caught in this infinite loop of like me telling it all the documentation it's sending me is not correct. It just doesn't happen. It doesn't exist. It's not there. Just making shit up.
This is probably a special feature of the free version.
Yeah,
the gaslight feature, bro.
Yeah, the gaslight feature to piss you off to buy the actual one.
Yeah, I can see it. Hey, Microsoft does some sketchy stuff, so
no. Billy Gates or Billy Gates doesn't own
not
that anymore.
Guy. Not good old Bill.
Not good old Bill.
Michael Harton says the AI keeps BSing. It should run Office.
it probably will.
Dude,
you're foreshadowing, sir. You are foreshadowing.
Don't say that.
You are foreshadowing.
No. Okay. Okay, Cody. I think we kind of vomited all over Aurelian in the Who's. It's over. I think. All right, so I changed enough of these variable names, and we got a lot of work to do, homie. But I think we have a solid base here. Right, we got a solid base. What do you say we push this up to the repo?
Let's do it.
All right, let's see
I was about to say let's see your git commands, but you use the little merge thing.
Dude, but bro,
source control.
I want to press the plus button on the left, but then I'll do git commit down here because it never will work the correct way up there. All right, let's see. We'll say added. Man, we didn't really add shit. We began base template for to do list app to turn into suggestion app. And you know what? Wait. Hold on, dude. Hold on, bro. We got to do this. We'll say we got to change this. Tech chief channel suggestion. Channel suggestions. We'll change that. What else we got to do? We got to say save.
We're going to have to add a profanity filter because this is already making me want to enter profanity into this app.
Done. Or we'll say used. Suggestion used. Chris in the house says hi. Hello, Chris. Well, let's actually hold on. I'm just gonna quit. I'm gonna quit instead of right quit. No right.
Got an exclamation point it.
What, dude? What the fuck is this shit?
Q exclamation point.
What?
There you go.
What? Dog, what? All right, let's run this thing again real quick. Do the npm start. There we go. Yay. Wait, let's change this to enter to do. Where is
the placeholder needs to change?
What was that? Oh yeah.
You go.
Your suggestion. There we go. All right. And then Antonio in the Who's. What's up, guys? What up, dude? Good to see you. All right, let's see if there's anything we missed. Here is my amazing suggestion. Dude. All right, let's save that. All right, here's my amazing suggestion. Why did that come done already? Did I
just ignore that? Let's just pretend that didn't happen.
Let's see. What's this? Okay, I had to have fat figured that, right?
Maybe
not though. Okay. All right, that's fine. All right, there we go. Control C. All right, let's add these other changes. Let's do a good old git commit. And we'll say what's a distinguished check-in comment for when all the plebs read it. Began or created template for suggestion list. Right, quit that baby. Let's do git push. Please don't make me. Please don't give it. Okay, nice. Perfect, baby. Perfect. Okay, so that should be on the repo. Let's look at the repo now. Let's see how different this guy is. Let's refresh this. Oh wait, that's Red Genesis. That's your boys. I was looking at his too earlier, and I was actually going to say we'd use his as a template, but we'll just do the guide instead. Not doing git commit -m, dude. Get out of here,
right.
dude.
He's right though. He's
No,
right.
dude, get out of here, dude. Fuck. What is wrong with you guys?
He's right.
You guys. Wait. What GitHub account am I checked in? In Visual Studios. Is it this one? Okay, yeah, it is. Okay. All right. No, you can't push it to master. No. Look, dude, hey, we only have one branch. All right, cut us a break.
We didn't. Here. Yeah, we didn't push it to master. We pushed it to main.
What? Bigot. Yeah. Look, there is no more master.
We had to change that name. That's a no name.
That is a no name.
Even though it was the same for like the existence of Git.
Yo, dude, places in the well, you know, those places that people that you know work at, it's still master, which is funny.
Yeah, some of them are for where I work too. Yeah. Just because they don't want to change the branch name and screw shit up.
Yeah, that's exactly why. But it's the same places that still have it as master, or the places that like have like unicorn rainbow emojis in their CLIs. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
You know what I'm saying, baby?
That's how you got to balance out the like, you know, the atrocities, the digital atrocities.
Yeah, my thoughts exactly. All right, here we got our code here. All right, boys and girls, that was a hefty like 30 minutes of coding. Cody, how do you feel, man? How do you feel after that?
I feel pretty good, apart from being sick normally, but feel pretty good about our code at the very least. Yeah.
Are you really? You don't sound sick.
I've been all week. I'm heavily drugged, so it's okay.
Okay. Well, that makes sense. That helps too.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. Cody, your channel is what again? Tell the people, tell the lads.
My channel is called Cloudology, but the tag name is Common Sense Cloud because Cloudology was taken by some like SoundCloud rapper. So, boom. Dude, also, new videos, kind of like Bro Science Life, every when I feel like it. So. Did
they automatically give you your tag on YouTube?
No, I had to select it. So they were going to give me some like,
dude.
Yeah, so if your name is available, they'll do it. But because Cloudology was not available, they was going to give me some wild card Cloudology 1992 or some crazy tagline like that. So I was like, oh no, not Rust, please.
Mine is like Tech Chief YT for like YouTube, I guess. I should probably change it, but
mine was gonna be like Cloudology like 92, like a boomer. So I was like, I'll just create my own. My other channel though, that one actually just took over my channel name because I was the only one. But yeah, new videos every once in a while.
What is this new Rust? Okay, Rust Web. Okay, let me. Okay, Aurelian, you got us. All right, you got us. Well,
ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Rust Web Frameworks development in 2023 by and Daria, the two eyes, Ria Laskova. What is the Aurelian? Can you give us too long didn't read?
Yeah, come on, give us the TLDR. You know we don't read.
Looking for it. Was reading about it at work. He says, as a rule of framework intensifies. Okay, can they give us a name? Actix Web. This isn't new though. Rocket. Axiom. Axiom can suck on a WASM. Yeah, we used that. We used that before.
Oh, yeah.
We used that in boot camp.
They're just now using WASM?
I guess. Yeah. If they were in good old developer direction, they would have diddly had that already. But hey, what can I say? What can you say, Cody? What can any of us say?
What can anyone say?
We are nothing but extremely attractive and intelligent engineers in a floating world of wind that just takes us wherever our sails may go, I guess.
It's true. We are the dumb version of ChatGPT, I guess.
We're the sexy version of ChatGPT, at least. All right, boys and girls,
Fair.
that's it for tonight. I guess next week we'll do a we'll finish up some more of this. All right, sounds good. Capiche? Beebity bobbity. Night, everybody.